Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, February 5th, and that means it is exactly 2 weeks until the start of QuiltCon. I hope that you are all excited. If you're local, you really should plan to go. It's the largest quilting event in modern quilting in the entire world. And the fact that we have it right here in our backyard is awfully cool. Today in fabric, we have Edita Star's uh, square dance. Sorry, I was saying star and square and I got all confused with my geometry. So this is the panel that comes in the collection. It has a little bit of all of the colors I'm going to be showing you. And this is a basic for Edita Star. If you are a fan of laundry basket quilts, you'll know that she really loves her blues. But this collection has a little bit of everything. And if you pull in really close, you can see that design. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little tiny pinwheel that just repeats all the time. And it sort of looks like a log cabin too, the way it's all set up in lines. You can see it really well on that piece. And so this is, I believe, 30 pieces, 30-piece collection with all of the different colors. This is kind of Edita's home color. And then she's branching out. So I'm happy about that because even though blue is the best seller in terms of color after white and black, it's fun to have other colors too. um, so this is what we have new in the shop today. I do want to remind you to please vote for us in the local quilt shop contest. If you like watching our content and perhaps even shopping with us, voting for us is a great way to show your appreciation without spending a dime. It only takes about 2 or 3 minutes, and voting runs through the end of this month. So we're hoping that we can move up the ranks. I think we're about in 14th place right now. And I would love, love, love to win the grand prize for North America this year. It comes with a lot of prizes, which we always share with our customers, a lot of patterns and free stuff from By Annie, and we always give those away. So we would love to do that for you if you would just vote for us. The link is LQS, Local Quilt Shop, lqscontest.com/vote. There's also a fun leaderboard page there where you can see the results in real time. And I promise I don't look at it every single day. Okay, maybe I do. But it's really fun to see who's moving up and who's moving down. And you can also look by country. Obviously, the United States is the country with the most quilt shops in it, but there are quilt shops in a lot of countries. So that's kind of fun just to peruse. And then obviously, if you're ever traveling, that's a great resource for knowing where the quilt shops are. And we are almost done with Edita Star's Square Dance. Of course, you can find this online at caryquilting.com, and you can find it in the shop here in Cary. We are here today, 10 to 5, and for the foreseeable future, there's not going to be any more snow or ice. I'm just going to say it. I'm going to be the groundhog. Spring comes soon. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.